today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got this hair on my locks, and yeah, and I'm going to be doing the other side here, just showing you how I got this braid hair, curly two-tone braid hair attached to my locks. All right, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick short hair video. If you have short locks, this is what you can add. I'm using the Kima braid in the color P1B27, and this is just some regular braid hair. Here I am just cutting it apart. Okay, your girl maybe should have chose a different type of hair to use, but I made it do what it do. I made it work for me. So what you're about to see is just me getting the hair all together once I cut that band off of it. And the reason why I say I should have chose a better hair is because this hair is very stringy, it's very synthetic, and it tangles. Okay, it tangles. So I'm just trying to separate it, get it all bunched together, pretty much the same length, give or take, or not, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I just have my hair twisted in two barrel vault twists to the back, and I seen this style on a Facebook page, and I decided to recreate it the best way that I know how to do. Okay, so I chose braiding hair. I didn't choose pack hair because I didn't feel like wrapping it around and bobby pins and all of that. I wasn't going that route. Okay, I was going with what was easy for me. So here I'm probably just mentioning how my bathroom fan is so loud and the reason why this video is a voiceover. So what I'm doing is just making sure that it's all, you know, kind of centered and the same length right here. Okay, the same length. And the hair, as you can see, tangly. You're going to see at the end of the video how tangly it really is. So right here, I'm just pulling out the strands and parts that are already tangled from me just pulling it apart. I'm splitting it into two separate parts, okay? And then I'm looping it back under and making it into three, like you're getting ready to braid. So you see 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, the tanglage is real, okay? So I have these three parts. So what I'm going to do is flip this over to the back of my head so that the middle part is the part over my locks in the back. And I'm going to turn around and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So that middle section is going to stay in the middle. And I'm just going to go under and grab the other side and start braiding here. That's all I'm doing. And I'm picking up my locks in that middle section. And all you're doing is just braiding this on. No wrapping needed. Okay. No rubber bands here needed at this point. You're just braiding this on, attaching it to your locks by separating it into three parts. Easy peasy, okay? Ain't nobody got time for all that extraness. I just wanted a quick, different hairstyle on my locks. So here I am just braiding down to where I want it to be. And I kind of want these to hang in the front over my shoulders. I'm turning around to show you to make sure that it's kind of equal with the one on the other side, like where I stopped braiding at, as you can see. And there's my charm off of one of my locks. And so I'm going to grab a rubber band and I'm just going to wrap it around there twice, making sure it's even and wrapping around twice. And bam, just like that, that one is done. So what I did end up going back to do is that first one that I had done, I did go back and actually take it out and rebraid it because it wasn't as high up and it wasn't as tight as the one I had done in this video. So I did go back and redo it, but now I'm just kind of cutting it because you kind of see how this side over here is more uneven, shorter, and all of that. And eventually I just ended up cutting a straight blunt across and making it shorter because the hair just kept shedding. And you know, I'm not about to be pulling hair all day, so I just made it shorter into like some pom-poms. But you get the idea here. What I'm trying to show you is basically just how to add synthetic hair or extra hair to your locks to give them length, to give your hair a different style. And I'm going to show you the back here. All right. And I'm going to show you the front. And I just like the curliness of it. It really looks cute. It kind of matches the photo. I can insert the photo here so you can see it. And I'm just feeling it. I like it. But I did end up cutting it short though. So that's the end of this video. And you're about to see the amount of hair that I threw away on the floor because of all of the tangling. I thank you for watching. I thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.